Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me and can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What is your name?
How are you, ma'am? First of all, could you please introduce
Okay.
yourself? How are you,
Yeah.
ma'am?
I'm doing well and thanks for asking. And your voice is a little late, maybe some
Yeah,
network.
ma'am. Connection related problem. Your network problem.
Nevertheless, you
Okay.
wanted me to introduce for you. So my name is Manju Mishra, you know it, but still for the audience. And then by profession, I'm a teacher and I belong to India. You are not from India, I know it. And because of that, I told you that I am from India. And now I'm a retired teacher. So in my retirement, I teach some professionals, some grown-ups online. Okay. And then you would ask that, what do you teach, madam? So I teach only English. Sometimes people learn grammar, and mostly people are learning spoken English. So I keep myself busy in my retirement by training and enhancing people's English skills. And anything specific you want to know, you can certainly feel free to ask.
Thank you very much for your wonderful introductions. And first of all, I would thank you very much for giving me wonderful opportunity connecting with you. My name is Navarathna. I'm from Sri Lanka, connecting with you from Sri Lanka. Um, I'm a worker and I live alone. My parents have passed away. Um, that's all about me.
Okay, you said you live alone. Yes?
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yeah.
Your parents are no more. They passed away. May I know when did they pass away?
Yeah, ma'am. My father, my childhood time, my age is 5, I think. I didn't say my father face. My mother, she 11 years ago passed away. She go through the cancer severe,
Okay,
and
she
after
went through
she
cancer.
um
Okay. Mm-hmm.
11 cancer.
Yeah.
11 years before she passed away. After that, I faced so many struggles in my life. And I have elder brother, two brothers, one sister. I'm
Okay,
a last one, youngest one. My life. They are all married. I'm not married. I'm single.
nice to hear everything, but very sorry to say that your father left you in your very young age. So there was a
Yeah, man.
great struggle for your mother. And then even you are saying that 11
Yes,
years
ma'am.
back, your mother also expired. So for you, it's a great trauma because without father, without mother, although you have siblings, so you must be having a nice bond with them. What about that? Do you have good bonding with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
siblings?
After I want to say, mother role is very important. Every children, every child.
Right.
But first, the beginning time
Mm-hmm.
after she left,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know properly how to cooking rice and any everything in full day. I'm busy person every time. I don't have any time for that or learning something related English. I'm not educated more than and a little bit. I'm school completed in my school.
Mm-hmm.
My mother tongue also Tamil, and I study in Sinhala medium Sri Lanka, and I love languages and English. Hindi also I like. I like learning Hindi also. And ma'am, learning is very important. All the very important the future. Then I decided to learning. I wanted to learn something to English related, and then I speaking. I watching more than English content videos, searching on the YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, I saw the your video, ma'am, first time, and the Manju, ma'am. And I watching again your videos, your speaking way, the very beautiful and very clearly grammar without grammar mistakes. Then I like it. Again watching your every videos, you and Ashutosh sirs, you and Sunita ma'am, you and Shanta ma'am, you and That's
Lots
why,
of
ma'am.
network issues, I feel, Navarathna. So because of that,
Sorry for the
um,
ma'am.
your picture is there on the screen, but only I can hear sometimes, and sometimes I can't even hear you properly. Now I can see that it's
Okay,
going on.
ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you were talking
Okay, ma'am.
about that you have been in Sri Lanka and you speak Tamil language, you love Hindi, you love English. How many languages do you speak?
Even my mother tongue Tamil, first of all. Second language is my Sinhala, and national language Sinhala. Then next, third language English. Then and fourth, I love so much Hindi related videos. I listen to Hindi words, songs, music, and watching movies, something. Watching again to English videos and related grammarly videos, something. But specifically, your videos is really helpful, ma'am. I you are my very inspiration, ma'am. You and always you teaching way, speaking way. I watching your every videos most of time. I read also your commenting section. Also, you are there commenting everybody so very positive comments and really what can I say? I feel very happy and I thankful, ma'am, always to giving wonderful opportunity. I request for you accepting my request. First of all, giving me wonderful opportunity. First of all, I want to say very important things. This is my lively first time I'm speaking on YouTube. That's opportunity giving only you, ma'am. My God say
Thank you. Thank
first
you so
you,
much,
second my
Navratna.
God, really helpful, helping my God, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am.
See, in your message, you wrote that you are not a good speaker. You won't be able to speak much, but you are very much able to speak. You are very much able to express yourself. And because of that, I use always very simple English so that even the basic learners, even those who have started their journey from scratch, they can also understand my English and they can dare to start their journey. They should not feel a kind of fear that English is very difficult, only heavy words and fancy words can be used in English. No, with the simple words, simplest words, we can express
Yeah,
ourselves. Okay. So I
yeah,
was
ma'am.
just trying to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
out that what is the, traditional food of Sri Lanka. So I heard one word, kiribat. What is kiribat? Would you like to tell the
Kiribat,
audience what is kiribat?
tasty and traditional and national food. When Kiribat, it means how to prepare to and put the coconut with coconut
Okay.
milk. I
And
also preparing, ma'am, the idli dosa something nowadays
kiri
preparing and
bhat,
all
we call
everything.
it
I will,
kheer here.
but
Pardon? Can you come again? Hmm?
okay. Kiribat
Kheer
is
bhat.
milk rice.
Milk rice, yes. And that we call here in
Kiribat,
North
it's mean,
India
ma'am, milk rice.
milk rice. Yes, yes. That's what we call it kheer.
Milk rice. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. What's your
Okay.
favorite color? You see, fortunately, today we both
My
are
mom,
wearing blue color.
yeah, ma'am, my favorite color also blue. Mostly my dresses also blue. I selecting blue. Yeah, I'm wearing all time blue some more than time.
So your best color is blue. Yeah. So
Yes,
you
yes.
watched so many videos, Navratna. And I
Yeah,
replied to your question after a long time because I'm not very much active on Instagram. I first found your message on Instagram, and then from there, I told you
yeah,
that
ma'am.
you send me an email, and then you sent me an email, and that's how we are connecting today. I'm so happy. I'm super duper happy that I'm connecting with you, and that too from Sri Lanka, the other country, but it is our neighboring country.
Ma'am, one time I visited to India, Tamil Nadu, 2009, I think.
Mhm.
That day, I visited so many places in Tamil Nadu. I visited Italy dosa, but I don't know how to prepare it.
Your voice is breaking every now and then because of network issues. I'm not able to hear a complete sentence at all. And video is totally like first time you are connecting, you must be willing to watch this video on my channel, but video is not coming properly at all. I will try to find out some maybe small
Mm.
shot out of it, but it's not coming out well because of network glitch.
Yes, ma'am.
If you
Yes,
know that
ma'am.
if you
Now it's
change the
fine,
place,
ma'am.
I can hear you. Sometimes your voice is breaking and cracking. You are not clearly audible, but still it's fine. No problem. We can talk for some time. Your aim was to connect and to remove your fear, to remove your hesitation, and you felt like connecting with me first time. I'm so thankful for that. When people say that, ma'am, I mustered some courage to see your video or to watch your video, I feel very good about it, because in my retirement, I don't have any great ambition. My ambition is just to spread a little knowledge what I have. I can't spread much, but whatever I have, I feel like just spreading a little confidence among those people who always have a kind of fear to take the first step. So at least once you will take first step, then there are ample of videos to watch. You can watch all native speakers, everybody, and there are, I mean, the doors are open. But the first step always is very difficult. At least you started your first step today. You started connecting with people as you have been watching videos of Shanta ma'am, Sunita ma'am, the other people. Approach them also. Okay. But make sure that your network is intact. Okay, internet glitch if you have, then it's very difficult to record a video. From my end, you must be able to hear me, but whenever you speak, it's difficult for me to understand. But still, tell me, what was your feeling like when you were not knowing how to cook even rice? Then who taught you to cook rice?
My favorite food, idli, dosa. These two foods, my all-time favorite. Then chutney, sambar,
Mm.
and then I watched on YouTube and properly I write a note and then prepare. Nowadays, weekly, twice, thrice, three times. My most time, I my dinner idli. Then I prepare how to eat.
Oh,
Yes, and
okay.
I prepare bonda, bhaji also,
Mhm.
and
What do you do in Sri
and
Lanka,
I
Navarathna?
wake up. I'm, ma'am, as a tea factory supervisor nowadays. I'm working.
Tea factory. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, tea factory supervisor,
Mhm.
and for 11 years since 2009, have
Very
been
good.
working.
Happy that you used since and for correctly. Mostly people make mistake, but you used both these,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, words very nicely at the right place in the right
Yes,
manner.
ma'am. I like so much grammar, but that's why I watching your videos. Grammar. I like it always grammar. So many people telling saying, oh, grammar is not good, important. Grammar is not important spoken. But the grammar is really very important. Um, first time know my ma'am, my first time know that conversation with you. That's why I'm very nervous. That's why I'm very nervous
No,
for
no.
me. That's why I'm very stress tracking
No, no,
and very
don't
happy also.
don't feel stressed. Take it easy and
Mm,
think that you are talking to one of your family members. Okay, so don't have a
yes,
kind
ma'am.
of self doubt. Okay, do you
And ma'am,
understand Hindi?
one thing, yes, understand, Mama, Papa, and ouch, ouch, something worse. But I like more. I like, ma'am, Hindi songs. My favorite actors, Madhuri Dixit. Madhuri
Okay,
Dixit is my favorite actors.
actress, yes.
Actor, yes,
Hmm.
actor Salman Khan and Kajol. So many actors. Kareena Kapoor. So many actors and actors. I watch more than I know India related states. So many related Indians I searching about Google and watching. Then I visited already Tamil Nadu. Then I know the next state Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. Although pupils, I working in the 1 year to 4-star hotel, the Magabalipuram, Chennai, and they start my um, training that day. Training my house keeping supervisor that day I'm working for, that I have experienced so many languages they speak in India. They come to Orissa and Nepalis and Tamil, Karnataka, Malayalis, Telugus. So many people are there. I'm so excited to so many languages, so many foods, so many religions. So I'm really, really happy that 1 year they I spent to time for India. I'm come back to the Sri Lanka, my country, my even I also like so much my Sri Lanka. This beautiful one is beautiful place in Kandy. I live in Kandy, central of Kandy, and that's all, ma'am. But I want to importantly, I want to tell moms that category. I already speaking parents that title. Parents is really important, very important in your life. They whatever you want to educations to related anything, but very important. Um, I love so much. I love her, my mother. I love mother so much, and I don't express my words or how to say my mom loves. She caring so much. My childhood time, I'm really naughty, very naughty. I didn't ask anything to my mom advices. I very naughty. I'm running, jumping. I'm not learning something to school related anything. I didn't ask anything. I don't ask anything to my mom advices. But now I feel that day. Now my mom is passed away. Now I feeling felt oh, although things my mom advised so many advices to give to me, that is very important. Now I'm trying to learn something for so many struggles.
Right,
That day
right.
I'm missing. Now
Yes,
I'm feeling.
now I
Then
can
my
understand your
my
struggles. Yes.
mirror practice also every day
Hmm, very
morning,
good.
5 to 10 minutes I mirror talking.
Mm-hmm.
But most of time I was forget the question and how to question and answer, how to reply. That time I'm very scared about that. Otherwise I understand English 100%. How my friend of someone talking with me, what they talking, what they speak, I understand. But I how to speak, I don't know. Sometimes very scared about that and very struck. That's it. First, life with Manju ma'am, connecting with my lifelong. First time with connecting with you, grammar with Manju ma'am. I'm very blessed feel and really, really happy. My request on email, and you, ma'am, again, you replying my email, but I am didn't delay. I'm sorry for that.
No,
I'm
it's
at
okay.
work
It's okay. This is my
that time.
job. I take it as my job,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
teachers have to have
Hmm.
patience. Okay, we cannot be impatient.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then this is the
Yes, ma'am.
first trait of a teacher, to be patient, no matter how naughty the child is. But we have to handle all of
Hmm.
them with proper care, proper guidance. So I always take all my learners, all my viewers, same as I used to teach in the school, and I used to consider my own students in the school. So you all are my viewers, my extended family. I always feel one who connects with me. We create a kind of bonding, isn't it? So, like as you say that you can't
Yes,
forget
ma'am.
grammar with Manju ma'am, I also cannot forget you, because first time I'm connecting with someone who is from Sri Lanka. I have connected with many people from
Yes,
different
ma'am.
countries, so that's also
Here,
an
here,
opportunity
ma'am.
for me.